Behold the Alps. For thousands of years, these towering peaks formed an impenetrable barrier at the heart of Europe. But then came the train. From the mid-19th century onwards, engineers and workmen had battled their way through towering mountains like these to lay railway tracks in places where only the hardiest climbers had ever been before. I'm going to follow in the footsteps of those railway pioneers.
This is a rack and pinion, and which one is which is a matter of opinion.
To see for myself how they built higher and higher, using any means necessary.
We are travelling at quite some speed through a borehole drilled straight into the mountain.
To somehow get their trains to the top of the world.
That is amazing.
My journey will take me from the glittering heart of what was one of the world's great empires to one of the most spectacular places on Earth. Join me on my coldest, most challenging, but probably most picturesque journey yet, as we try to conquer the Alps by train.